In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check your liked videos on X, formerly Twitter, in just a few simple steps. If you've ever liked a post and wanted to find that video again later, this is the easiest way to do it. It's a quick method, and once you know where to look, you can revisit your saved likes anytime. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Alright, let's get into it. First, log into your X account on the app or in your browser. Once you're signed in, look at the left sidebar and click on your profile. This takes you to your account page where X organizes your activity, posts, media, and likes all in one place. Now, on your profile page, look for the Likes tab. This is where X stores every post you've liked, so you can go back and review them whenever you want. Click on Likes and you'll see a feed of the posts you've previously liked. From here, simply scroll through your liked posts until you find the one you're looking for. If you're specifically trying to find a video, pay attention to posts that include video thumbnails or moving previews. Once you spot the video post you want, just click on it to open it again and watch it. That's it. You don't need any extra tools, and you don't have to search through your entire timeline manually. Your liked posts act like a simple reference list, making it much easier to return to videos you enjoyed or wanted to save for later. If you like this kind of straightforward walkthrough, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, because I post more helpful tutorials just like this one. And if you want, you can also use your Likes tab to rediscover creators, topics, or trending clips you may have forgotten about. It's a very useful feature once you get used to it. So to recap, log into X, click Profile, open the Likes tab, scroll through your liked posts, find the video you want, and click it to watch again. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.